Hello, everybody. We're on week 4. And this week, our discussion is going to be understanding surveys. And it's important to know that you can go into any of these surveys and see how they affect your area and how you can use them for your own benefit where you work. If you work in a jail, if you work in a city, these are here for you. So we're going to have you select one of the following to answer the below question: the National Incident-Based Reporting System, the Uniform Crime Report, the National Crime Victimization Survey, and the Offender Self-Reports. Now, for you to pick, I would suggest that you go research each one of these and look to see which one best suits you, which one you think you most want to know about. And ask yourself, how are these surveys conducted? Because they're definitely done differently. And then I want to discuss any factors associated with the survey that weaken its validity or aspects that strengthen its validity. So I actually go to these. I go to the Uniform Crime Report quite a bit just for like fun things to look and see what's going on in the state of Massachusetts or what's happening in the state of Nebraska. Or you can use these reports just to see, how many murders took place in a certain area. They're very informative. The next part of this, I've done an awful lot of. I'm going to put an awful lot of information on to the announcement, and then I'm hoping that you look at them. One of them is a video, and it's about sampling, and it's a pretty good video, and I hope you look at it. Let me get to. This has to do with your paper. What is sampling? Discuss various probability samples. Explain how to determine the size of a sample. So, I have a couple of things that are going your way. One of them is going to be a video. One is going to be this particular paper. That was found as well. It's a PDF, and I hope you look at it. A lot of great information in on it. There's also some in there you can find it. The problem is just not sampling. What are you sampling? Are you sampling New York City compared to Long Meadow? Apples and oranges. What are you comparing? So there's a few things that you're going to find in there, and I'm hoping that they're going to help you. Again, if you have any problems, let me know. I am now going to beat a dead horse. One of the things that I want to make sure you know is this here: 4 to 6 pages of content, APA style. All right, that means I need to have your cover sheet. I don't really worry so much about an abstract. And then, but I need to have 4 pages of content and then another page of sources. And you must have a minimum of 2 sources. Remember, Wikipedia does not count. Look at your sources. Where are they coming from? And if you have any questions, whether it's a good sample or not, it takes nothing more than a text to send it to me, and I'll say yay or nay. I will always answer if you send me your paper beforehand, if it needs something more or if it's lacking something. I check every day, a couple times a day, sometimes 4 or 5. Sometimes I have no life and I do it continually through the day. So make sure that if you want me to look at your paper, submit it and say, okay, this is what it needs. I will do that. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to call me. I'm going to make this a shorter recording because one of the videos here is a little bit longer for you to look at, and I think it might help you. So good luck. Bye-bye.